All right, let's talk about the power shortages that may result from this drought. Helen Lau, who's senior analyst at UOB, is with us now. She's going to tell us about the impact that this will have on Chinese growth. But, well, thanks for joining us, Helen. What is going to be the impact?
Yeah, I think if it starts to rain, it will help elevate the power shortages, especially now a lot of hydropower plants.
A lot of rain, though, don't they?
Yes, yeah, a lot of power plants have, reduced the power generation because of the shortage of water. So this should help, we think.
Yeah, I bet it's going to take a lot of rain to get things back to normal. So, but what are the effects now? What are you thinking in terms of growth here, and as we get power shortages and load shedding as well?
We think, going forward, I think China really needs to slow down. I think they also already have this plan to slow down the economy, and this will help reduce the power consumption. That's
what I'm saying, 12% down to 8%. That's the sort of growth that we're looking at. Will that make a material difference? Will the power industry be able to catch up to some extent?
I think, for the Chinese for the power industry, the current situation is it is not that they do not have enough new stock capacity. Rather, it is operational efficiency that is a concern, and also because of the low profitability, therefore they have no incentive to generate enough power. So therefore, I think this is something that power industries can improve. Especially if China increase the power prices. Yeah,
but that's something that they're doing as of tomorrow in the retail market. Do you think that can make a difference?
Yes, I think a lot of large state-owned power company, of course, they sell the power to the state grid. So therefore, the on-grid power price increase will benefit the most. But then I think eventually, just like in 2009, when China also increased the residential and the on-grid, so this will eventually benefit all the large state-owned power companies. But there's also some smaller power companies should be benefited from this retail price hike.
Right, a lot of these companies have had problems paying their bills, haven't they? We've had some reports of that. Can you confirm it?
And what we can get is we see the leverages is very high in the power companies. The gearing is over 80%. So therefore, we do understand that their capability to pay the bill is quite low because they have a lot of borrowings. So therefore, I think to increase the power prices is really the most effective way for them to generate more and generate more profitability.
But does this have an inflationary impact as well, and it's something that the authorities there are very keen to suppress right now?
That's right. Yeah, I think so far the impact is limited because this time around the retail power price increase is only limited to non-residential users. So therefore, direct impact on CPI is zero. But there's some indirect impact starting from the increase in the industrial products. This may affect CPI to some extent. But in our analysis, this 2-cent RMB increase in power prices may only result in 0.05 percentage point in CPI, which we think it is bearable in the Chinese government's eye.
And what would help, I suppose, would be a bit of dollar strength against the yuan. So if the RMB was allowed to appreciate more, that could help to alleviate some of these coal prices in local currency terms.
In currency, yeah, that's right. And also, China also has increased the imports of coal from Indonesia, from Australia. So therefore, this, because of the RMB appreciation, so China has increased a lot of imports of coal. So I think this may also help, elevate this the coal shortages in the eastern part of China.
Helen, thank you so much for joining us. Helen Lau there from UOB.